Firstly, congratulations to all graduates on the joyous and a significant occasion in your life. All these years of your graduation were presented with extraordinary challenges, but you have persisted, excelled, and compelled the degree which you should be proud of. You have enriched our campus community with things that make you unique, including academic strength, passionate interest, and personal background. As you cherish the fruits of your hard work, I wish a success follows. You have everything to do. Dream new, embark on you are. Embrace life, the passion, and keep reaching the stars. As rightly said by Abraham Lincoln, and it is not the years in your life that count, it's the life in the years. Wish you all a great success and happiness in years ahead. Congratulations once again.